If you see this kind of alarm on your VDR remote display, do not ignore it. This could be a sign that there is a problem or malfunction in the microphone unit of your VDR system. If port inspectors notice this, it could result in a deficiency for the ship. However, if it can still be addressed, why not try the following steps, which might help you. Watch this video for guidance. First, make sure that the microphone unit is indeed malfunctioning by testing it. Press the check button, select the microphone's code number, and then press recording. Begin speaking near the microphone. If failed appears, it indicates that the microphone is faulty. Next, remove the microphone and open its case. Carefully remove the PCB board, and you will see a rubber component. Remove it to access the microphone and clean it thoroughly, possibly using contact cleaner to remove any rust that might cause short circuits. Reassemble everything properly. After cleaning, test the check mode again. If the alarm is gone, it means the alarm panel has returned to normal. To be sure, request a spare PCB right away in case the PCB is totally damaged. I hope this information has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for our next videos. Goodbye.